Hey guys, we are here at the Beauty Lab and I'm coming into one of my client sessions. As you can see, my girl is snatched. She is about 2 months post-op from her tummy tuck and she's going to tell us a little bit about her experience coming here to the Beauty Lab. How has it been?
It's been wonderful. I'm very, very relaxed. The place is very professional. It gives off spa. It gives off relaxation. It gives off everything that you could ever imagine. When I first came, this is actually my second massage. So when I first came, I was actually a little bloated compared to now. If I could do a before and after, giving everything it's supposed to give. I'm much flattered. She gives out the best resources and advice. And also, she provided me the most decent faja ever.
Yes.
Matched all the way around the borderline. I definitely would recommend 10 out of 10. Actually, 1,000 out of 1,000, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.